Why am I not being able to speak English? What is the matter with my mind? What is the matter with my mouth? Why do I hesitate every time I speak English? Why do I have a struggle to express my thoughts when it comes to expressing my thoughts? Naturally, organically, smoothly, flexibly. Professor d.Wellied will answer these questions in this video. Please listen carefully.
You always ask yourself this question: why am I not being able to speak English? What's the matter with my mind? What's the matter with my mouth? Why do I hesitate every time I speak English? Why do I have a struggle when it comes to expressing my thoughts naturally, organically, smoothly, flexibly with the person that I am talking to? But once this person disappears, everything gets normal and I speak naturally. Why do I speak English when I travel, but when I speak with my professors or my friends, I struggle? It is actually a matter of choice. It's a matter of the options that you have decided to proceed with. In the essay entitled The Knowing-Doing Gap, Why We Avoid Doing What's Best for Us and How to Conquer Resistance for Good, the writer says, common sense tells us that if we put another hour into a novel writing each night, ate better, woke up earlier, chose affirmative thoughts, spoke honestly, and connected more genuinely, we'd live better lives. But the real question and the real work is not understanding what's good for us, but why we chose otherwise. Understanding the fabric of resistance is the only way we can unstitch it. This is the kind of resistance that I am talking about here. The resistance to move on and learn and challenge yourself more. The resistance to speak. The resistance of being hesitant to express your thoughts naturally. Modern society, innovation, culture, wealth, success is designed to convince us that a good life is one that is most comfortable or able to provide us with a sense of being pain-free and secure. This is pretty directly related to the fact that human beings are hardwired to seek comfort, which translates to us as survival. We are physiologically designed that way. It only makes sense that in our more fully actualized intellectual and emotional lives, we'd want the same. Moving yourself past resistance is a matter of shifting your perception of comfort. It is about considering the alternative. It is altering your mindset to focus on the discomfort you will face if you don't do the thing in front of you, as opposed to the discomfort you will face if you do. The point that I want to mention and highlight here: if you want comfort, you are not going to find comfort in language learning. You only will find resistance. So you have to change your mindset in a way that resistance is your comfort, where you switch into resistance mode and start challenging yourself in any aspect of language that you find you have struggled with. I hope this is clear. And this is the answer to why am I not being able to speak better.